Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Tesla's Model Pi phone versus Apple's iPhone 13 Pro. Both are on the verge that which one is best in all their features. The amazing Tesla Model Pi mobile phone is another Elon Musk-inspired device to glance forward to in the next Tesla fans. The smartphone, meanwhile, would contend with some other smartphones in the market, such as Apple's famous iPhone. Well, in today's video, we will be doing comparison between Tesla Pi phone and Apple iPhone. Without further ado, let's begin. Apple has become a household name because it sells quite so many smartphones as it can. The Cupertino-based corporation sold about 200 million smartphones worldwide last year. There's really no denying that Apple does a lot of great things with its iPhones, which it refreshes every year. It is, nevertheless, almost certain to welcome a new challenger. The world's richest billionaire, who seems to have virtually limitless resources to invest forward his innovative products, is backing this current contest. The Tesla Pi phone possesses all it needs to be successful with Musk's support, even though he has a long history of making whatever he handles a reality. If people are still not convinced, consider that Tesla currently offers the much more electric vehicles, while SpaceX is putting satellites into space at incredible speeds for its own and additional clients. It also transports NASA astronauts to space and back. His monotonous enterprise, therefore, is uninteresting away benefits the feat. Millions of Musk's enthusiasts surely prefer to use a phone designed by Musk to complement their other Tesla items. Consider out this report prior to actually proceeding with both the Tesla Model Pi phone versus Apple iPhone 13 Pro comparisons. Apple seems to have been in competition with Tesla. That shows the comparison of Tesla's Model Pi phone versus Apple's iPhone 13 Pro. For a long period of time, the iPhone manufacturer has indeed been tied to reports that it is working on an electric car. The car hasn't arrived again, but the conversation hasn't stopped. This is really not a report though. Would be that Musk tried to purchase Tesla to Apple during a period whenever the automaker was already in grave trouble, which he referred to as development hell. Despite the fact that Musk has never been able to meet Apple CEO Tim Cook, Tesla has thrived since then. So, what does compare between Tesla's Model Pi phone versus Apple's iPhone 13 Pro? What methods would be used to produce the smartphone? Apple is well known for not manufacturing its phones. Instead, the corporation designs and develops smartphones in the United States before contracting out the real manufacturing. Camera lenses, CPUs, displays, and other equipment are made by partners all over the globe. Apple's main competitor, Samsung, has produced batteries for the company. Bosch SensorTech in Germany manufactures the accelerometer, while ST Microelectronics in Switzerland manufactures the gyroscope. Foxconn and Pegatron, both based in Taiwan but with plants in a variety of locations, are two businesses that assemble Apple's phones. Tesla might establish its own assembly factories if it wishes to keep to its legacy of building its own goods. Establishing a factory for making products, on the other hand, is not the same as EV plants. The corporation might potentially take a conservative approach and outsource the first few units. Apple's iPhone camera. According to speculation, the camera system of Apple and Tesla are extremely similar. Nevertheless, the iPhone 13 Pro, the much more recent and most capable iPhone, features 3 lenses on the rear. The iPhone shoots fantastic shots, even photos with a wide lens. iPhone is known for its tilted screen during this time. Apple, in effect, made the style renowned. The front camera and other sensors are housed in the notch. Several phone manufacturers, on the other hand, have experimented with other designs, such as a perforated camera. The notch has only ever been lowered in size by Apple. Several people dislike the design because it consumes precious screen real estate and detracts from the appearance, but they must accept it in order to use an Apple phone. If you're enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Tesla's Model Pi camera. Tesla's Model Pi has 4 lenses according to reports. More could have been done with the Model Pi phone. Anyone could, for example, gaze the Pi phone at a clear night sky and shoot high-resolution photos without having a long exposition. Users can also shoot pictures with one lens while filming with the other. Model Pi phone, on the other hand, lacks both a notch as well as a punch, keeping the screen seamless and appealing to the eye. The secret is that Tesla has hidden the camera beneath the screen, out of sight, until people really need it. Another feature of the Model Pi phone that the iPhone lacks is a fingerprint scanner beneath the screen. One may unlock the Pi phone simply by putting a finger on a certain section of the screen, which is a really convenient method. Apple's iPhone back. The smartphone has a rough, matte glass back that is susceptible to fracture when dropped, and that is why people should put a case on it as soon as users get it out of the box. On the back, there is a large Apple logo. Tesla's Model Pi phone back. The Pi phone also features a big sticker on the back, but it can change the color depending on the amount of sunshine it receives. This is attributed to the phone's photochromatic covering. Apple's iPhone charging. iPhone can be charged remotely rather than through a connector, with criticisms abound about just how sluggish the other is in comparison to other premium phones. Tesla's Model Pi phone charging. While wireless charging for the Pi phone has still not been announced, this would contain inbuilt solar panels that will allow users to charge it using solar power rather than relying for a connector. Tesla has a solar panel manufacturing facility, so this shouldn't be a problem. Apple's iPhone processing power. Every year, Apple improves the processor in the iPhone. Nevertheless, during the previous few years, the advances have not yet been entire planet. The A15 Bionic chip is featured in the newest iPhone, along with an additional GPU in the flagship device. Tesla's Model Pi phone processing power. While Tesla has not revealed specifics regarding the Pi phone's chipset, it is expected to be formidable. So because Model Pi phone would be used to mine cryptocurrency, this is the case. Of fact, at this moment, it is well known that the Pi phone would physically travel farther than the iPhone because it will be used by colonists on Mars. Musk wants people to be allowed to live on Mars indefinitely, and that he has to create a currency for any of them to do commerce and earn a decent living. It is for this reason that he is manufacturing Mars Coin. Pi phone will be able to mine for Mars coins. Whether people are on Earth or Mars, the phone will act as a personal wallet. Customers can pay for groceries, gas, and other purchases without having to access for the wallet or credit cards. The Model Pi phone would require a strong microprocessor mostly because of cryptocurrency, but also because it would feature Orin technology from Musk's Neuralink, which attempts to read impulses from the human mind by transplanting chips within. It is not for nefarious intentions, as the technology aids in the treatment of various medical conditions and may be able to assist persons with speech impairment in putting their thoughts on paper. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below, which one is the best? For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.